Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a legal analyst? These specialized professionals play a crucial role in the legal field, researching cases, accessing records, and streamlining processes. Today, we dive into the step-by-step process of becoming a legal analyst. The journey to becoming a legal analyst starts right after class 12. At this stage, students from any stream can set their foot on this path. The next step involves pursuing an undergraduate degree, which lays the foundation for your legal knowledge. This process takes about 3 years and is followed by the Bachelor of Legislative Law, or LLB. All these steps are crucial in building a solid base for your future career. That's the first step in our journey to becoming a legal analyst. Once you have your degree in hand, the next step is further specialization. The journey to becoming a legal analyst typically starts with completing a Bachelor of Legislative Law, or LLB, which takes around 3 years. But the learning doesn't stop there. Many choose to pursue a Master of Legislative Law, or LLM, a further 2-year commitment. This advanced education equips you with a deeper understanding of law and enhances your analytical skills. Now you're ready to step into the world of law. With your degree in hand, a world of opportunities opens up. As a legal analyst, you can find employment in various sectors like legal consultancies, where you can provide expert advice to clients. There's also the chance to practice independently, offering your services to those in need. Law firms are always on the lookout for sharp legal minds, and there's no dearth of opportunities in international organizations and corporate firms where you'd be playing a critical role in ensuring legal compliance. And let's not forget the stellar institutions like the National Law School of India University and Symbiosis Law School, which have produced some of the finest legal analysts in the country. So there you have it, a quick guide on the journey to becoming a legal analyst. Remember, the journey might be long, but the rewards are certainly worth it.